A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. I'm doing good, my dear students. Thank you very much. Are you ready with your literature textbook? First, I need to make sure about it. Yes? Okay. We have revised lessons 1 and 3. Today, we are going to revise lesson number 4. I request everybody to keep their devices muted. Only those students whose names I call out from here will give me the answer. Okay? Parvati, tell me the title of the lesson. Lesson number 4.
A lazy squirrel.
Yes, you're right. But why are you thinking so much? Do you have any doubts?
No.
No? Okay, very good. The title of lesson number 4 is The Lazy Squirrel. The Lazy Squirrel. Who can tell me the meaning of the word lazy? Lazy.
Not active.
Not active. Yes, very good. The meaning of the word lazy is not active. So, my dear students, are you ready to revise the lesson?
Yes.
Yeah. For that, I once again instruct everybody to be on page number 24. Page number 24. 24. And do keep your devices muted. Bennett, please start reading the first paragraph of the lesson.
Okay, ma'am. Winter was coming.
A bit slower. A bit slower. Okay?
Winter was coming.
Hmm.
The animals of the forest
Hmm.
were getting ready for the cold days.
Uh,
All the squirrels were working hard. They were looking for nuts to keep for the winter. Except for sunny.
expect. Is it expect or accept?
Except.
Accept. E-X-X-C-E-P-T. Sept. Accept. Accept.
Except.
Accept. Yeah.
Except
Hmm.
for sunny.
Hmm.
Enjoy the good weather while it lasts.
While it lasts.
While it lasts.
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 While it lasts.
While it lasts.
Okay.
He told his friends, Swami, and there's a lot of time to find nuts. This page,
I want you to read the last sentence one more time. Page number 24 and keep your devices muted.
there's a lot of time to find nuts.
There's a lot of time. There apostrophe is to be read as there is. There is a lot of time.
There is a lot of time to find nuts.
To find nuts. Very good. There is a lot of time to find nuts. Thank you, Bennett. Muhammad Ali, continue reading the second paragraph.
Sunny was very lazy squirrel.
A very lazy squirrel.
Very lazy squirrel.
Squirrel. Not squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel.
He would
Squirrel. 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 Squirrel.
It's not everywhere.
Okay, keep trying, you will get it, okay? Yeah, continue.
He would
Lie. L-I-E, lie.
lie
Under. U-N-D-E-R, under.
under the sun.
Hmm.
In the daytime,
Hmm.
at other times,
Wait. He would lie under the sun in the daytime. After that, did you notice a full stop? What is a full stop tell us to do, Muhammad Ali?
stop.
Yeah, then did you stop? No, you didn't.
Daytime, at
Yes, very good.
times,
Hmm. He would. He would.
he would
Hmm.
nap on
Hmm.
the branch of tree. Branches of the tree. Branches
Of the
tree.
trees.
Trees.
Hmm. Continue.
Sometimes he would pick
Pick up. He would pick up.
a nut
Okay.
and throw it at
And throw it.
Sammy, his friend.
And throw it at Sammy.
Sammy.
His friend.
Stop working.
Come and play.
Come and play with me.
Okay.
Sammy would play hide
Sammy would
play hide and seek.
With Sunny. Okay. Good effort, my dear. Thank you. Okay. My dear students, in the first paragraph of the story, we have come to understand that winter season was approaching or winter season was coming, and all the animals of the forest were getting ready to face the cold days of the winter season. All the squirrels were working really hard. How? Why? How they were working hard? How were they working hard? What were they doing? How were they working hard?
Looking for nuts.
Yes, very good. All the squirrels were working hard and they were looking or they were searching for nuts to keep for the winter. Only one squirrel was not working. Who was that? Joseph Sebi. Joseph Sebi. Nobody else will answer, please. Who was the only squirrel that was not working? Sunny, yes. Only Sunny was not working. The word except, E-X-C-E-P-T, except. Repeat, keep your devices muted and repeat. Except, E-X-X-C-E-P-T, sept. It's not expect, except. Except. Yeah, we say September, right? Sept. The same sept is used here. Except. Except. Okay, first, if you are finding it difficult to pronounce, you can start slowly. Except, you can say it a bit late so that you get time to think and say. Except. Gradually, you will get the flow of it. Okay? Understood, my dear students? So, what is the meaning of accept? All the squirrels except Sunny. Yes, all the squirrels other than Sunny were working very hard, looking out for nuts. Enjoy the good weather while it lasts, he told his friends. Who told his friends? Sunny, yes, Sunny told his friends, enjoy the good weather while it lasts. And what are the names of two of his friends? Sammy and Benny. He also told his friends that there is still a lot of time to find nuts. Had winter already started at that time?
No.
No, there was still a lot of time for winter to begin. Then, as we all know, the title of the lesson tells us that Sunny was a very lazy squirrel. Lazy means not active, not active. What would he do? He would lie under the sun in the daytime. During the morning daytime hours, he would lie under the sun lazing around, as he was a very lazy squirrel, not active at all. And at other times, he would nap on the branches of trees. What would he do at other times? He would nap on the branches of trees. Mother, what is the meaning of nap? Mother.
Short sleep.
Very good. Nap means a short sleep. And where would he nap? Dhyan? Dhyan, where would Sunny nap? Dhyan, on the branches of trees. Yes, very good, Dhyan. Thank you. And sometimes he would pick up a nut and throw it at Sammy. What would he do? He would pick up a nut from the ground and throw it at Sammy, his friend, and say, stop working. Come and play with me. Sammy would be looking for nuts, but would Sunny allow him to do that? No, he would say, stop working, come and play with me. And then Sammy and Sunny, for some time, both of them would play which game? Hide and seek. Yes, very good. Both of them would play hide and seek. But after playing for some time, Sammy would again go back to work. Sammy would go back to work. What about Sunny? Did he go back to work?
No.
He was never working, right? He was napping and enjoying lying down in the sun. I don't like to work, Sunny would say. What would Sunny say to his friends? I don't like to work. Okay, Karthik, continue reading from here, but after some time. Karthik. Yes. Come on. After some time.
Thus, but after sometimes Sammy
After some time.
would go to
Hmm.
work.
Would go back to work.
Yes.
Continue. I don't
like to work, Sunny would say.
Sunny would say. Okay. Then continue reading.
Soon the weather
I didn't understand. Soon. After that, there is a punctuation mark. After soon, there is a punctuation mark. What is it? Which punctuation mark is it? Comma, yeah. So what do we need to do when we come across a comma? We need to pause there. Stop there, right? Okay, continue.
soon
Hmm. The weather.
the weather
Hmm.
turned
Hmm.
very cold.
Very cold. Hmm.
Sunny
Hmm.
realized.
Sorry? Realized. Realize. To realize means to understand. To realize means to Understand. Okay. Okay, continue.
That he were that not not
Hmm. He did not have
have
much. He did not have much.
it did not have much
Hmm.
to
Much
he
food.
much food
Hmm.
he
He
decided that it was time to go
for looking for nuts.
looking for nuts.
Okay.
He,
Ezra, mute your device.
he searched
Not searched. He searched. He searched.
he searched
Among
among
the fallen
falling
leaves.
falling leaves,
Hmm.
but
But there were
there were
no nuts.
no,
No nuts.
no nuts.
The other
The other
squirrels.
squirrels
Squirrels. 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 Had
squirrels
had
had
taken
taken
them all. Not them. Them all. St. Tom, sit properly. What am I going to do?
What am I going to do?
Sunny thought.
Sunny thought, I
I don't have
I don't have enough food
enough food.
to,
I don't have enough food
to the
to last
last or
for
luckily
to last for winter.
winter.
I wish
I
I hadn't or I had not.
I had not
I had not been so lazy.
so lazy.
I had not been so lazy. Okay, Karthik, I appreciate the effort that you're putting, but I request you to read regularly, Karthik. I had told you this some days back also, right? You need a lot of reading practice. Please practice reading regularly. Okay, Karthik?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, good. Thank you. Soon, that is after some days, the weather became winter, right? The weather turned very cold, right? And that is when Sunny realized. To realize means to come to know about something or to understand something. Sunny realized that he did not have much food. Why did Sunny not have much food with him?
Because he is lazy.
Yes, because he was lazy. He did not search for nuts or he did not bother to collect nuts. So he did not have much food. And finally, at that time, when it's turned cold, he decided that it is time for him to go looking for nuts. At that time, when winter already had come there, had started, at that time he decided that he has to go looking for nuts. And he started searching among the fallen leaves. But Did he get any nuts?
No.
No, he did not. He did not. Because all the other squirrels had already taken away all the nuts. The other squirrels had taken them all. And that time Sunny started thinking, what am I going to do? I don't have enough food with me to last all winter. And that is the time when he felt that he should not have been so lazy. Okay, Tirtha, continue reading. Otherwise, mute your device.
Luckily, his friends Sammy and Benny were helpful and kind. They shared their nuts with him. The next summer, Sunny helped his friends and collected food. He decided that he would never be lazy again.
Yes, very good. Luckily. Luckily means by luck, with luck being in favor, his favor. Sunny, friends. What are the names of both his friends? Sammy and Benny. Sunny's friends, Sammy and Benny, were helpful and kind. They were helpful. They were ready to help him. Kind. They were good-hearted. They were ready to help and share their nuts with him. What did they share with Sunny? They shared their nuts with Sunny. And the next summer, Sunny also learnt his lesson that summer, right? That winter. And the next summer, he also helped his friends and collected food for the forthcoming winter. And after that, he decided that he would never be lazy again. Are you able to recollect the entire story?
Yes.
Yes, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Tirtha. Now, are we ready to revise the meanings and other related words? Yes? Okay, good. So, Parvati, except, you have to tell me the spellings also.
Other than.
Very good. Spelling.
O
Oh,
T
one second.
H E R O T H E R T H A N.
One second, my dear.
O
Hmm.
T H E R
Hmm.
T
Hmm.
H A N.
Yes. Other than. Other than. Give me one word for other than.
Except.
Except. Yes. Very good. If it is asked the other way, that time also you should think and tell me. If I ask other than in the question, you must give me the answer as except. If I give the word except, what is the meaning?
Other than.
Other than. Got it? They both have the same meaning, right? Meanings, similar meanings. Okay, thank you. Evina, what is the meaning of lazy?
Not active.
Spelling?
NOTACTIWE.
VE.
VE.
Say the spelling of active one more time.
ACTIVE.
Yes, very good, Evina. Thank you. ACTIVE, active. Nihal? Nap?
Nap. Short sleep. SHORT. Short. SLEEP. Sleep.
Okay, there is a letter A before that, right?
Yes.
A short sleep. A short sleep is called a nap. A short sleep is called a nap. Right? Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
spelling of sleep?
He said that, right?
The spelling
He said the spelling of sleep, right? Okay. Dhyan, mute your device. Bhagyashri, tell me the past tense of is. Past tense of is.
What?
Was. Spelling.
W
I didn't hear that.
W A. Please say again. Please spelling. S
Say it again.
W
Without looking.
spelling. W A S.
W-A-S. Was. Yes. You're right. Thank you. Ritika, past tense of keep.
Cat.
Spelling.
K-E-P-T.
Okay. Very good. Arjun, past tense of tell.
Tall.
Spelling.
Can
Arnav, sit properly.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Share the screen. I will do that after some time. Arjun, spelling of told.
T-O-L-D.
Very good. Thank you. Android, past tense of turn. Past tense of turn. T-U-R-N, turn. What is the past tense? Android. Past tense of turn. No need to look at the book. Tell me without looking. What are you doing now? Android turned. Right? I saw you turning behind. Yes? So what is the past tense of turn? Turned. T-U-R-N-E-D. Turned. Repeat. Android. See, he is turning again. Asking for help. No need to ask for help. Try to do it on your own. Think and give the answers. Android, tell me the past tense of turn once again.
Turned.
Yes, spelling.
T
Hmm?
T
T-U-R-N-E-D.
T-U-R-N-E-D.
Turned. Okay. Arnav, you sit properly there. Keep the device properly. Okay, thank you, Android. Siddhivinayak, past tense of do. Past tense of do. Past tense of do. D-O, do. I'll give you a sentence. I do my work regularly. I do my work regularly. If the same sentence you have to speak about yesterday. Once again. Not did. 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 Don't drag the words unnecessarily. Did. Repeat. Repeat. Say again. Repeat means say again. Did. Spelling.
D-I-D.
D-I-D. Did. The past tense of do is did. Okay, fine. Thank you. Let's continue with the question answers. Why were all the squirrels working hard? Arav, tell me the answer. Why were all the squirrels working hard?
The winter is coming.
What were the squirrels doing? What were the squirrels doing at that time?
That time
They were
nuts. Looking for nuts.
For what?
Nuts.
They were looking for nuts to keep for which season?
winter season.
For the winter. Say, they were looking for nuts for the winter.
They were
For the
looking
winter.
for nuts to
For the winter. Okay, very good. Thank you. Mitra, what did Sunny do when the weather turned very cold?
Sunny went looking for nuts.
One more time.
Sunny went looking for nuts.
Very good. Sunny went looking for nuts. Thank you. Arav, mute your device. Santom, how did Sunny's friends help him? How did Sunny's friends help him?
Sunny's friends shared
Share or shared?
her
Her.
nuts.
Sunny's friends are two. How can it be her?
Their nuts.
Their nuts. Very good. Their nuts. With whom?
With him.
With him. Yes, very good. Why don't you say the same answer one more time?
Sunny's friends share
Their nuts.
their nuts
Mm.
with him.
With him. Okay, very good. Thank you, Santom. Okay, welcome. Ritika, how was the next summer different for Sunny? How was the next summer different for Sunny?
Sunny decided not to be lazy again.
Yes, very good. The next summer was different for Sunny because Sunny decided not to be lazy again. What did he decide to do? He decided not to be lazy again. Okay. Now, my dear students, today itself we have revised the entire lesson. Today itself, I want you to write and learn. Now you have to tell me, it is your turn to tell me, how many times are you going to write and learn? The meanings how many times? 5 times. Very good. Past tense forms? 5 times. And the question answers? 3 times. Will you do that?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I'll give you some time to do the work. I'll be taking the test only on Monday. So today is which day? Friday. You have the weekend to write and learn. Because I will be checking your literature notebook. All of you have to show me the notebook in the next class. Monday we don't have, right? We don't have. Next day.
Wednesday.
In the next day, on the next day, you have to show me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now let me just check the absentees. Advait PS is not there, right? No, I didn't see him. Advait PS, no. Then Albrin Benny, no. Azaria, no. And Evelyn Maria, no.
Absent.
Evina Haya there. Jennifer,
Absent.
no. Karthik is there. Kashyap, no. Meenakshi, no. Swale, no. Nivedhanyan, no. Sivamadhav, no. Stefano, no. Okay, rest everybody is there. Right?
Arav is present.
Who?
Present.
Arav, I didn't call out your name, right? That means you are present. I called out only the names of the absentees. Who? Dhyan, I didn't call your name, right? I called out only the names of the absentees. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. It is time for me to wind up the session here. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.